Down in Te Waipounamu, Kai Koura is buzzing. And it's all thanks to two sisters who have rolled into town.
Kia ora. Malolele, ko sio tōku ingoa, ko lea ahau. I should have said that in Tongan, eh? Sorry. Kia ora. Malolele, ko hoku ingoa, ko sio, ko lea ahau. And we are Loopy Tunes. Kia ora koutou. Can you all say kia ora sio? Kia ora. Kia ora. Kia ora. Means hello. Kei te pehea koe.
Yes, the Loopy Tunes, a dynamic duo who have become a hit with tamariki across the motu.
Lele means run, run really fast. Lele, lele. Puna means jump, jump up high. Puna.
What do you love the most about your guys' job?
Engagement. A connection with our families and sharing what we're passionate about, our language and music.
Yeah, I just love watching the kids. Like, for us, when we were doing COVID, loved making content, but when we came out of COVID, actually being able to perform with the kids again.
Yeah.
And watching them, like, just their faces light up and get real excited. And seeing, like, yesterday's kura was so cool, watching them, like,
Sing
belt
back
out
to
little
us,
taniwha
yeah.
and stuff.
Yeah.
So that's the highs of our job, I reckon.
To show you guys the actions, okay?
Matariki, oh, matariki.
Music has always been a part of their whakapapa and upbringing, shaping these Māori Tongan sisters into the artists they are today.
Let's make some shapes with our bodies today. Some shapes are big and some are small. Let's make the shape you see with your body. Try not to. That's an easy one. All right, our flamingo.
Okay, ready?
See if you can
I
balance.
think harmonising came from growing up in the Tongan church, and you're just surrounded by that, with all the hymns singing.
You pick up the flute there too, like instruments, different things?
Yeah, that wasn't the Tongan church.
Oh, that wasn't.
Yeah, I know.
No, we got thrown into orchestral music. So
yeah.
our whole family are
Yeah, we've got flute, clarinet,
Wow.
trumpet,
violin, yeah.
Yeah, so
We're
all
our
four
own
of us
chamber group.
played instruments. We would rather have played sport on a Saturday morning, but I mean, hey, this is...
Yeah, it's ended up
You know.
benefiting us. Thank you, Mum, for pushing us that way. But yeah.
And their number one supporter is their mama.
Your girls are doing Loopy Tunes. They're getting 1 million views on Spotify and on YouTube and that. Are you quite proud of your girls?
Yeah, I'm very proud of them.
Yeah. What's it like when you watch them perform?
Sometimes get a bit emotional,
Yeah.
but yeah, no, I'm so proud of them. They're doing really well. They're really nice girls.
Yeah.
And they get on with everyone they meet. Yeah.
And then say, Paia, tahirua toru wha, Paia.
What do you love about seeing your girls performing?
I just love how they make people happy,
Yeah.
the kids. I just love watching the kids and enjoy it and singing their songs. I mean, they always sing at home.
Yeah.
And we don't have any other music on but Loopy Tunes with my older mokos. Disgusting because they want to play there. I said no, Loopy Tunes. So the babies grew up know every song that they do. So I'm just proud.
From their self-made online shows to millions of streams on Spotify, Loopy Tunes are doing it their way and it's paying off. They dominated at the Children's Music Awards this year and they gave up their jobs to chase their dream.
What gig did you kind of give up to do this full time?
I worked for the Methodist Church, so I was doing children and youth and family ministries, and I did that for like 10 years, I actually quit so that it was right on 10 years. I told my boss I want to be exactly 10 years. And they helped out a lot in terms of helping us grow Loopy Tunes at the beginning.
Yeah.
So that was me.
And I was an itinerant flute teacher at primary schools and some intermediates. So I kind of came to a crossroads where I needed to choose which path, money or
Money or Loopy Tunes.
nah. But it's don't look back at all.
Their mission is simple, to share their waiata with as many tamariki as possible, building momentum in the children's music space.
I mean, wiggle status is obviously every children's music artist's dream. But, I mean, I don't know.
I don't know if I could do their workload though.
No,
We know
they
how
work
hard
there.
those guys work.
They do. They work really,
But
really hard.
to be honest, we just want as many children as possible to be able to engage with our music. Like, you know, whatever way we're able to do that. And that's where the tour started, was we're like, we don't want to just sit here and wait for, let's just go out and do it and self-fund it. And yeah, the more kids, and if it makes them smile and, you know, helps whakamana them and their culture and their reo, then that is huge for us.
For now, it's about touring Aotearoa, connecting and spreading their love of music and their culture.
It's massive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's, again, that affirmation that music is a universal language. And we just go out and have fun, and the kids are receptive to that. And so, yeah, it's great. It's love work, I guess.
love
Yeah,
work,
it's for aroha that we do a lot of what we do. And then to see it being received so well and, you know, given back to us through them performing our songs.
Yeah, we never thought 15 years ago, if you told us we would be doing this right now,
And together.
never ever, you know, and together, yeah, chalk and cheese here. The two little sisters who didn't get along.